Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we are diving into a project that beautifully combines simplicity, affordability, and rustic charm. If you've ever admired those warm wooden mirrors and handcrafted picture frames in cozy farmhouse homes and thought they looked expensive or complicated to make, this video will completely change your mind. We are exploring rustic wood mirror and picture frame ideas that are easy to build, budget-friendly, and perfect for beginners. Whether you have leftover scrap wood, reclaimed pallet boards, or affordable lumber from your local store, you can transform simple materials into stunning decor pieces that add warmth and personality to your space. Rustic wood decor has a timeless appeal because it celebrates natural textures, visible grain patterns, and organic imperfections. Unlike factory-made frames, handmade wooden mirrors and picture frames tell a story. The knots, cracks, and subtle color variations in wood create character that cannot be replicated by synthetic materials. In this project, we focus on embracing those natural details rather than hiding them. Even if your cuts are not perfectly flawless, rustic style allows room for authenticity, making it especially beginner-friendly. We start with the rustic wood mirror design. A wooden mirror frame can instantly make a room feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. The key to achieving a rustic look is choosing wood with visible grain and a slightly rough texture. You can lightly sand the surface to remove splinters while still maintaining its natural charm. For a simple rectangular mirror frame, measure your mirror carefully and cut 4 wooden boards to size with clean 45-degree mitered corners, or simple straight but joints if you prefer an easier method. Both techniques work beautifully, especially for beginners. Assembly is straightforward. Apply wood glue along the edges, clamp the pieces together, and reinforce the joints with nails or screws for extra durability. If you want a more farmhouse-inspired look, consider adding decorative corner brackets or leaving the nail heads slightly visible for a handcrafted appearance. Once the frame is secure, you can attach the mirror using construction adhesive and secure backing supports to keep everything in place. Finishing is where the magic truly happens. Rustic doesn't mean unfinished, it means thoughtfully aged and naturally styled. You can apply a warm wood stain to enhance the grain, or use a dry brush whitewash technique for a softer farmhouse vibe. Light distressing with sandpaper along the edges creates that perfectly imperfect, lived-in look. Even a simple coat of clear matte sealant can protect the wood while preserving its natural tone. The goal is to enhance the wood's beauty without overcomplicating the process. Next, we move to rustic wood picture frame ideas. Handmade wooden picture frames are some of the most satisfying beginner projects because they require minimal materials and deliver maximum impact. Just like the mirror frame, start by measuring your photo or artwork carefully. Cut 4 slim wooden strips to create a border that fits your picture size. Precision matters, but remember, slight imperfections add character in rustic design. For a layered rustic effect, you can glue thinner strips of wood on top of a wider base frame to create dimension. This layered technique adds visual depth and makes your frame look professionally designed while remaining beginner-friendly. If you're working with scrap wood pieces of varying shades, consider arranging them in a mixed pattern for a reclaimed wood aesthetic. The natural variation in color will give your frame a rich, textured appearance. Securing the photo inside the frame can be done using simple backing boards and small metal tabs or flexible fasteners. You can even add a piece of clear acrylic instead of glass for a lightweight and budget-conscious option. Attach a hanging hook at the back, and your handmade frame is ready to display. One of the most exciting aspects of these projects is how customizable they are. You can keep your designs clean and minimal for a modern rustic look, or you can go bold with thicker wood pieces for a more dramatic farmhouse statement. Adding rope accents, metal corner details, or carved edges can elevate the design even further. However, simplicity often creates the most elegant results, especially for beginners who are still building confidence. Another wonderful benefit of creating rustic wood mirrors and picture frames is affordability. Store-bought decor items can be expensive, especially when made from solid wood. By using reclaimed materials or leftover boards, you significantly reduce costs while also practicing sustainable crafting. Repurposing wood not only saves money, but also helps reduce waste, making your project environmentally friendly. These projects are also perfect for small spaces. A well-placed rustic mirror in a narrow hallway can reflect light and make the area feel more open. A gallery wall featuring handmade wooden frames can transform a blank wall into a meaningful display of memories. You can frame family photos, artwork, inspirational quotes, or even pressed botanical pieces to enhance the natural aesthetic. If you're new to woodworking, this is an excellent opportunity to practice essential skills like measuring accurately, cutting straight lines, sanding smoothly, and applying finishes evenly. Each project builds your confidence step by step. Start simple, focus on clean assembly, and gradually experiment with more decorative details as your skills improve. Remember, every expert once started as a beginner. Styling your finished pieces is just as important as building them. For a cozy farmhouse look, pair your rustic mirror with neutral tone decor, woven baskets, or indoor plants. Wooden frames look stunning against white or earth-toned walls, where their natural texture stands out beautifully. You can lean a large rustic mirror against the wall for a relaxed vibe, or hang it above a console table to create a welcoming entryway statement. Maintenance is simple too. Dust your wooden frames regularly and avoid excessive moisture exposure. If the finish begins to fade over time, a light sanding and fresh coat of sealant can restore its beauty. Rustic wood decor ages gracefully, often looking even better as the years pass. These beginner-friendly projects are more than just decor ideas, they are creative experiences. Working with wood connects you to natural materials and allows you to slow down and create something meaningful with your hands. There's a special sense of pride that comes from displaying something you built yourself. Every time you glance at your handmade mirror or framed photo, you'll remember the process and the effort that went into it. As you continue exploring woodworking, you may find yourself inspired to create matching shelves, wall art, or even small furniture pieces to complement your rustic decor theme. The possibilities are endless, and each project strengthens your skills and creativity. Thank you so much for spending your time with Kuki Decor today. I hope this video inspires you to pick up your tools, gather some wood, and start creating beautiful rustic mirrors and picture frames of your own. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves DIY home decor. Don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more easy, affordable, and beginner-friendly woodworking inspiration. Let's keep turning simple wood into stunning home decor, one project at a time. I'll see you in the next video.